Here's what's going on with our weather tonight. Nothing to talk about as far as tropics go here nearby. Just a beautiful, gorgeous sunset and calm conditions out there, at least on Sarasota Bay near downtown Sarasota. You see that afterglow looking just spectacular right there, and lots of photos sent in tonight as well, as always. And we appreciate all the photos coming in. We'll go back to that one. We just missed that one right there, but here it is again. We'll show it to you. Well, we missed that, but we'll show you this one. This one was sent in from Cindy Desmond, the afterglow as well, from the Celery Fields. And Norm sending this one in from the World Rowing Championships going on out there at Benderson Park. And they had some nice fireworks, so the weather cleared for that. And Mother Nature had her own fireworks. Stone Castle getting this interesting shot of the lightning going up into the sky as opposed to down. That is cloud-to-cloud lightning that you see right there. And there was quite a bit of rainfall, especially lightning inland. Look at that, just a tremendous amount as a result of the south to southeasterly wind. That sea breeze moved further inland today, and the convergence set up well east of the interstate. Still some storms lingering into Hillsborough County, also now into Pinellas County. Rainfall totals were pretty impressive once again in eastern sections of Sarasota and Manatee counties. This model suggests you may be overdone there, but there's still some storms could be lingering for the next couple of hours. Generally fair skies, though, expected overnight. Low temperatures will be close to seasonal averages into the mid-70s. We'll start off tomorrow looking pretty good. Some sunshine. Temperatures will once again warm, though, into the upper 80s. It'll feel like 100 degrees by, say, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then showers and storms will have a tendency to be inland again, but there will be some near the coast later on in the afternoon and evening. So your Thursday planner for drop-off and for your commute to work looks good. Clear skies and some sunshine, a lot of it, 11 o'clock. By noon, I should say, then a few clouds and a few showers possible by, say, 5, 6, and 7 o'clock in the evening. We talked about this earlier. This is the tropical storm Kirk, and it is heading off to the west. The showers and storms are kind of disorganized. The reconnaissance aircraft investigating it found the winds a little less, not as strong, and that's because it's encountering some strong upper-level winds at around 25 knots, and that is going to beat the system up pretty badly as it heads toward the Lesser Antilles. Right now, top winds are at 50. It's moving to the west-northwest at 16, and it looks like it will be a tropical storm as it arrives there tomorrow. And then it opens up to basically a tropical wave in the Caribbean. So it looks like it'll get sheared apart so much that it won't be much of a problem there in the Central Caribbean Sea. Now, as far as the rest of the Atlantic goes, we're still watching this center right there, rather impressive gale center with lots of strong winds, but it's way out there in the Atlantic, not a concern for us here along the Sun Coast. Temperatures in the mid-70s right now up and down the coast, even some upper 70s right in the water there at Cortez. The Gulf water temperature is still warm, 87 degrees, and that will keep that humidity high throughout the day tomorrow. Well, currently at the airport, it's 76. The pressure's coming up. High pressure, by the way, is going to build at the surface and in the upper levels of the atmosphere. A little drier air will slip in. That'll happen on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That means fewer storms are expected to be around over the weekend. The high today was just above average. And as far as the rest of the U.S. goes, well, there's the front. The cold front is no longer a cold front. It's a stationary front. It's not going to blow on through and cool us down. It has picked up that tropical system, though, and has carried it off into the Atlantic. Look at the cooler temperatures across the Great Lakes and throughout the northern plain states. 50s and 60s and 70s for highs. Doesn't that seem nice? It's a long way off for us, though. Winds out of the southeast, turning to the west at 5 to 10 knots with a light chop out there. And the 7-day forecast is calling for scattered storms tomorrow, less of a chance Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The weekend looking quite nice. Temperatures will warm and continue to warm into the upper 80s to low 90s. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.